Hey, this is John Bourgeois, your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent, and today we are here at 3713 Panorama Valley Lane here in Franklin, Tennessee. We're going to be looking at this 5 beds, this 5.5 baths, 5,200 square feet of a brand new gorgeous home. Cannot wait to share it with you. But if this is your first time to the channel, let me just stop and say welcome. Again, my name is John Bourgeois. I am your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent, really your resource for all things Nashville. So whether that be you're looking at a new home, a resale home, you're looking to list, move, or even relocate, really want to be a resource for you and definitely want to make this be an easier process on you as well. Whether that be you're looking at moving in 9 days, you're looking at moving in 90 days, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can text me, email me, call me, click on the calendar link in the description. Let's connect face to face, find out exactly what it is you're looking for, and make this be the smoothest process for you ever. Make sure you like, you subscribe, turn on that notification bell. Notification bell is just going to make sure you're getting as much up-to-date content as possible throughout this entire process. Other than that, welcome to your new home. Now again, I mentioned that we're here at 3713 Panorama Valley Lane, and that's in Franklin, Tennessee. And now the home that we're looking at is actually one of 7 homes in this exclusive gated neighborhood of Sloan Valley Farms. And it means you're located minutes away from Leaper's Fork, you're minutes away from historical downtown Franklin, and you're right around the corner from the brand new South Hall Farm and Inn. Now the home that we're looking at, the 5 beds, 5.5 baths, 5,200 square feet, was designed by Christopher Architecture and Interiors. So you're looking at a newly constructed, luxurious, high-end design that has been completely custom built. Now, I will tell you a couple of the things that I just absolutely loved about the home. First and foremost, the amount of windows that was used throughout this home is unbelievable because it creates just this gorgeous natural light that just flows throughout the home. On top of that, you've got some amazing spaces, including upstairs. You've got an kind of an art studio, as well as an area that could literally be dubbed as a children's library or another study. And then one of the things that I just loved is the home is backed up against a green belt, and you're looking into the actual woods, and you've got literally a porch that overlooks that, and that porch is enclosed, so you got the ability to go ahead and have and entertain out there while being able to know, you know what, I'm not going to be getting any mosquitoes or anything like that. Other than that, enjoy the tour.